Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Glossy Box. If you guys haven't heard of Glossy Box, it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It is $21 a month, but you can get your first box for $16, I believe. Yes, $16. So it is 5 different items in here, and then it says that you get a bonus item as well. We'll find out together, guys. I've never reviewed a Glossy Box before. If you guys have seen my other videos, you'll know that I always review the Allure Beauty Box. That's personally my favorite beauty box. It's just, if you like skincare, you'll love that one. I've heard that this one is a mixture of skincare and makeup, so I'm excited to see how this box holds up compared to that one. I don't know if it's really even gonna compare anyway because like I said, the other one's mostly skincare. What I like to say in all of these videos is my opinion on other boxes that I've had in the past. So I've had BoxyCharm. I canceled that probably about a year ago. That was when I started getting a lot of makeup sent to me, so I was just getting a lot of doubles. That's pretty much the only reason why I canceled that subscription. But that one was nice because it was mostly full-size items, which makes it a little bit more expensive per month, so it just depends on what you're looking for. Ipsy, I believe, is 7 to 8 just test items, and that one is $13 a month, so that one's an extremely reasonable box. Although when I had it about 3 years ago, I canceled it because they make it seem like it's more customizable than it actually is, and I just found that I was just getting things that I would never wear, so that's why I wound up canceling it. Although, like I said, that was 3 years ago, so maybe they changed their tune. I don't know. I think recently Michelle Phan sold that business to someone else. So let me know if you guys have Ipsy and if you like it. Otherwise, let's just get into the box. So this is what it looks like here. It's a pink box. I usually have my makeup all done up for these videos, but I've been listening to you guys in the comments and you've been wanting me to try these as I go, so that's what I'm gonna do today. It looks like it comes with, oh cool, so it comes with a pamphlet just like Allure does. So it's almost like a mini magazine where they typically have like editors talk about the products and how they like to use it, which I find this extremely helpful. It has all the pricing on here and everything as well. And then inside the bag, I think this is a really nice touch. They have a sticker. Kind of have to break it open. This is what's inside the box here. Oh, holy shit. There's a lot of items in here. I thought that this was just 5 items. Oh, okay, well these two count for 1. So there's 6 items here, and like I said, it does come with 5 items, then there's like an extra bonus, which I'm assuming is these for the bonus, because they just look like little kind of throw-ins, you know? Make you feel like you're getting a little extra something. I'm kidding. Let me figure out how I can do these in order so that I can actually do my skincare as we're going. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off with the Energizing face mask. So I'm not actually going to use this one because I'm just going to tell you guys, this is my filming day, so I've already filmed like 3 other videos today and I've done like a million of these face masks. And I just feel like there's no way to really review a face mask. I mean, they kind of all look the same in the end. I feel like it's more of like a buildable thing when it comes to face masks. Like, you need to do a few of them in order to really see a huge difference. But yeah, so this is the Vite Energizing Face Mask, Brighten and Renew. A little bit about this mask from the pamphlet here. So it does say that it's instantly rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating. And this mask is packed with vitamin C, B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. And it's $18, which is a little pricey. Is that for 1? I'm assuming that's just for 1 because normally if it's not, it says it right next to it. Eesh, damn. This next product is by Decorte. Is it Decorte or Decorte? But this is called Liposum. Ugh, I hate that I'm so bad at pronouncing things, but this is a moisture liposum. I feel like I'm supposed to know that word, I don't know. But it's a hydration boosting serum. So this is what it looks like. Then it has like a little squeezy top here. It says use 2 or 3 pumps onto your skin. Ooh. This just feels like butter. I feel like it just disappeared into my skin. It was like a non-greasy gloss. This infuses skin with all-day hydration to help repair and protect. And it's also engineered to time release layer by layer, so it promotes powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines. But this is $22.50 for this guy here, which this will last a really long time because you only need a little bit on your face And the full size, which is 20 milliliters, is $50. So the $50 one is about twice this size, just for reference. This next product is by Caress. So this is a Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. So this is a Greek yogurt probiotic nourishing cream, which is really interesting. I love how all the products so far are very non-greasy. This just feels really refreshing. It has a light scent of like the strawberry Laffy Taffy. But besides that, it's not strong at all. It's just a like, little kiss. So this is rich in collagen building protein. The Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump and bounce to your skin that lasts all day. Its clinically proven microbiome friendly technology won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier, giving you the ultimate healthy glow. My God, guys, I did the take like 10 times, literally. And it's also perfect for combating the summer heat. So this guy here is $18. So this is the deluxe size. The full size is $36. So if you want the size that's double this, it's gonna be $36. Although I feel like this is the perfect size. Don't you guys? I feel like you don't need anything bigger than this. But yeah, I liked that. I think that sunk into my skin really well. And it's not greasy at all. Okay, so this next brand, I don't know if this is pronounced Tony Moly or Tani Moly, but that is the brand right here. So this is the Peach Punch. So these are the Peach Punch cleansing tissues. So these are actually infused with peach extract. So they're a cleansing tissue that removes impurities while brightening and hydrating the skin. So I'm obviously not gonna use this right now, but I do wanna smell this. Ooh, and they're, just from looking at it in the package, they look a little soapy. Oh yeah, they definitely smell like peaches. Like those little gummy peach rings. Oh. Yeah, so this is definitely a cleansing tissue. So they're not just a makeup wipe, these actually wash your face. Yeah, so these remove everything. So it's not only just removing your makeup, but it washes your face as well. So it removes makeup, dirt, and oil. And that pack is $7, which isn't bad at all. I mean, it is a little thin, but for all the benefits of this and then having the peach extract as well, I think that's pretty good. And let's move on to the throwaways. I'm kidding. So let's move on to these two guys right here. So these are the little sample packs. So these are from High Beauty. So we have High Expectations Facial Oil, which is this one. So this is 32% cannabis sativa seed oil. So you use this one after cleansing your face. And then this next one is High Five Cannabis Facial Moisturizer. So this is 20% cannabis sativa seed oil to neutralize, balance, and protect. So if you're gonna use these guys together, always start by using the oil first and then you wanna use the moisturizer. So the prices that are on here are for the full size. So it says for the facial moisturizer, it's a 50 milliliter for $40. And then the facial oil comes in the full size, that's 30 milliliters for $54. And then last but not least, we have the Modico Liquid Metal Eyeshadow. Okay, so let's take it out of here. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like a really pretty gold metal. This Velvety Eyeshadow delivers color in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in a weightless shine. Right, let's try this guy. Ooh, that's really nice. It does say if you're looking for more of like a vibrant color payoff to use a primer underneath of this. Otherwise, you can just keep it like this, just super glowy. I think it already has a lot of pigment as it is. But yeah, if you want to like amplify it a little bit, definitely use a primer underneath. And this is $19, which isn't too bad if you think about it, because I feel like this will last you such a long time, especially since you only really need one swipe. So that was the Glossy Box for June. Let me know what you guys think of it. How do you think it compares to other beauty box subscriptions? Which one is your favorite? Like I told you guys, Allure is probably my all-time favorite just because of the skincare. But yeah, this one had a lot of skincare in it as well, so I'll have to try out all these products and keep you guys updated. But yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.